Tired of juggling receipts, manually entering expenses, and chasing down reimbursements? You're not alone. Let's face it, expense reports can be a real drag. But what if I told you there's a simpler way? Enter Uber Expensify. This powerful integration streamlines the entire process, saving you time and headaches. Imagine this: you're on a business trip, enjoying a productive meeting. Suddenly, you realize you need to grab a quick lunch. No problem. With Uber Expensify, you simply order your meal through the Uber Eats app. Boom! Your expense is automatically captured and ready for reimbursement. No receipts to scan, no manual entries, just seamless integration. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Uber Expensify leverages the power of both platforms to automate expense tracking. Here's the magic. Uber Rides. Every Uber ride you take for business purposes is automatically captured within Expensify. No more fumbling for receipts or manually entering trip details. Uber Eats. As we mentioned, ordering meals through Uber Eats is a breeze. Your orders are automatically synced with Expensify, complete with itemized details and timestamps. Easy reimbursements. Once your expenses are captured, Expensify simplifies the reimbursement process. You can easily submit expense reports with just a few clicks, and your company can quickly process and reimburse your claims. Time saving. Say goodbye to tedious manual data entry. Automating expense tracking frees up valuable time for more important tasks. Increased accuracy. Eliminate human error by minimizing manual data entry. This ensures accurate expense reports and faster reimbursements. Improved visibility. Gain real-time insights into your spending habits. Expensify provides valuable data and analytics to help you understand and manage your business expenses more effectively. Enhanced security. Expensify employs robust security measures to protect your sensitive financial information. Step-by-step guide. Connect your Uber and Expensify accounts. This is usually a straightforward process within the Expensify app. Take business rides. Use the Uber app for all your business travel needs. Order business meals. Utilize Uber Eats for convenient and efficient meal ordering. Submit expense reports. Expensify will automatically populate your expense reports with relevant data from your Uber and Uber Eats activity. Review and submit. Review your expense reports for accuracy and submit them for approval. Tips and troubleshooting. Ensure accurate expense categorization. Properly categorize each expense as business or personal to maintain accurate records. Check your connection. Verify that your Uber and Expensify accounts are properly connected to ensure seamless data synchronization. Contact support. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Expensify or Uber support for assistance. Ready to simplify your expense reporting? Give Uber Expensify a try. You'll be amazed at how much time and effort it can save you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.